This is Samsung Galaxy Xcover 4S, and today I'll show how to take and manage screenshots on this device. So first, in order to take a screenshot, you will need to simultaneously press volume down and power buttons. Now, once the screenshot gets taken, you can see this toolbar, which allows you to start editing your screenshot right away. You can crop it here, share it, and so on. Mark it up, if you want to. And you can also, once the screenshot is taken, you can also right away share it from here. Now, if you'll go into your device's settings, then the advanced features, screenshots, you'll find the screenshots settings here. You can manage the screenshot toolbar. You can also enable or disable those two options, hide status bar or delete shared screenshots. And you can switch the screenshot format between JPG and PNG. JPEG, Then, according to the screenshot toolbar, you should also have the scrolling screenshot option active, which is pretty strange since I wasn't able to take a scrolling or long screenshot. Let me try once again. Maybe this time I'll have such an option. Yep, here it is. So just take a regular one, then tap at the scrolling icon, the first icon you'll see here, and then stop scrolling where you would like to cut your long screenshot off at. Now, in order to find your screenshots, just open the Gallery app, go into Gallery, go into Albums, and as you can see, all the screenshots are getting saved into their separate screenshots folder, and that's where you can find them. And well, as far as this short and simple video goes, that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.